Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to share the companies in my Nasdaq portfolio. I'll be updating you every week on my portfolio's performance, every new position I take, and the rationale behind my decisions. We're in this together. Let's start with our first holding, NVIDIA. NVIDIA remains the undisputed leader in AI infrastructure. Big tech companies continue to invest heavily in data centers, and NVIDIA is the primary beneficiary. Their data center revenue has significantly outpaced their gaming segment, becoming the company's main growth engine. Thanks to their CUDA software ecosystem and high-performance GPUs, they have a massive competitive advantage. Demand for their next-gen Blackwell chips remains strong. However, the stock has rallied significantly in recent years, and market expectations are extremely high. Any slight disappointment could lead to a sharp correction. Even though it dropped 10% last week, I still believe in its long-term potential and have added it to my portfolio. Second is Apple. Apple's ecosystem, iPhone, Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods, keeps customers deeply engaged. Their services segment, including the App Store, iCloud, and Apple Music, provides high profit margins. Apple generates billions in free cash flow every year, returning it to shareholders through stock buybacks. They tend to be more resilient during economic uncertainty compared to other growth stocks. On the downside, a large portion of their revenue still depends on the iPhone, and I'd say they are currently trailing companies like NVIDIA and Microsoft in the AI race. Nevertheless, Apple is my second core holding. I've added 5 shares at an average price of $282.21 for a total investment of $1,411. Third is Amazon. In my view, Amazon is one of the most powerful long-term tech companies in the world today. It's no longer just an e-commerce giant. It's a powerhouse in cloud computing, artificial intelligence, advertising, and logistics. With the AI boom, companies need more cloud infrastructure, and Amazon is investing billions into AI data centers. While these investments might pressure margins in the short term, their advertising business is growing rapidly with high profit margins, a segment many investors still undervalue. Of course, there is intense competition from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, and regulatory scrutiny remains a risk. Still, Amazon joins my portfolio at spot number 3. I've added 5 shares at an average price of $238.5. And finally, our fourth holding, AMD. AMD has been one of the most exciting companies in the processor and AI chip market. They are widely seen as the strongest challenger to NVIDIA. Their MI300 and new AI accelerators are being developed for large-scale data centers, with major clients like Microsoft, Meta, and Oracle. AMD continues to gain market share from Intel in the server space. However, their biggest challenge is that NVIDIA has a more mature software ecosystem with CUDA, which developers prefer. While AMD is growing, their profitability lags behind NVIDIA's, so investors expect higher growth rates from them. I've added 3 shares to my portfolio at an average cost of $540 per share. My goal is to grow this portfolio to $200,000. Let's see how long it takes me to achieve this. So, this is my current portfolio. I'll be sharing every trade and performance update right here on this channel. Feel free to drop your stock recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to follow along for the journey.